Hello dear traders. For today's analysis I decided to cover the USD versus Canadian dollar, and I will speak about the Bitcoin since I see there is a major breakout for the further downside there. So definitely lots of potential and tons of opportunities this week so far. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So based on my analysis here, I see there is a good potential for the rally in next period, and we got tons of confirmation for that rally to happen. So I will start with the 30-minute time frame first. Basically, after the sell-off that we got yesterday, which is pretty much like it was like a natural reaction based on the strong rally that we got last week, and buyers basically sellers lost their interest yesterday before the end of the US session. They totally lost interest there, and we got pretty much the divergences, the momentum decreased, and there was a breakout and upside. After that, I found basically during the Asia session, during the early Europe session, that we got a 2 higher highs and 2 higher lows. So based on the 30-minute time frame, we started the upside trend, which is a very, very good confirmation that we can see the bigger rally. Now, I also checked the market profile using the MT4 platform, InstaForex MT4 platform, and I got a potential for the rally towards the minus developments from the previous day, from Monday. And if you check here, we have at least potential to revisit this minus developments on around 1.2422, but I can also see easily that price can try to test 1.2444. We have 1.2460 and 1.2470. So tons of potential for the rally, and not just today, I also think in the next period, maybe also for tomorrow, that we can see the price to go into the upper area and the upper zone from the previous day. If we speak about a trend is also short midterm trend is pretty bullish, and if I go to the 4-hour time frame on the USD versus Canadian dollar, you'll basically find that there is like a bull flag, like more like a test, reject the middle Keltner line, so for the further retest of the high at least. So plenty of potential in USD CAD. Some advice to watch for like buying opportunities, buy on the dips on intraday frames, and potentially watch for the retest of the high at 1.2478. And now the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is basically right now breaking a major low. This is so crucial level, and I guess if we can see the bigger breakout, we just tested, we went first time below this level, so now it's a big battle. The sellers to extend more. I will say, according to the plan that I also spoke a few days ago, I see the big potential here. If the price will continue with the sell-off, if we'll confirm more and we spend more time below this level, below 30,000, this can easily open the door for a much bigger drop in the next period. And that much bigger drop can actually happen all the way down to the 20,000 zone, right? Which is basically based on the daily. Just show you that. Based on the daily time frame, this is the major high prior, and that happened in December 2017. So there is a plenty of potential in case of the bigger sell-off, and we are right now breaking this major pivot level around 30,000. So this is really right now interesting to watch. Again, the confirmation will be more increase in the volume on the breakdown, and to spend more time below this 30,000, then watch for some rally, like a correction, and then that can open the door for really potential bigger drop there. So watch for selling opportunities, I think, on the rallies. Just wait a little more for the confirmation of this breakout, and then watch for the, if the rally will be on the light volume, and on the price action, if the price action will be like chunky on the rally, and then watch for the sell zone there after the breakout on the rally for the much bigger drop, maybe even towards the 20,000 or even 15,000 later. So that'll be all for today. See you all tomorrow.